let me show our room, guys. Wow. It's cozy. So we got the deluxe room. This is good for 2 persons. And 1 kid. Pwede din. Ayan, tas may malaking bed. This is a king size bed. And maganda yung beddings nila. Premium beddings. Malambot din yung pillows. They have 40-inch TV. There's a minibar, ref, and there's free coffee and tea. Tapos ayan, may closet and safe. Meron ding slippers and bathrobes. Check naman natin yung restroom. Mukha nang malinis. There's also free shampoo, soap, mga toiletries, and bottled water. And they have bath towels and hot and cold shower. It's small but it's very clean. The rate starts at 3,525 pesos with buffet breakfast for 2 persons. So yeah, this is beside Atria. So there are restaurants, there are shops, so you can go shopping.